tell me something. I want to make everything in America look the same, so. Everywhere you go, all the house them, all the apartment them, all the road them, everything look the same way. Now take Jamaica where I come from. You go down the road, you see one blue shop. You go down a little further, you see one church and it empty, but one bar beside it full of people. You go down a little more, you see one pothole with whole heap of car crashing in it. No, so you can't last, you can always find something to help you mark where you come from. No, in America, master, so everything look the same way and me always a last. Now this man, me decide to go to supermarket. Me be there Colorado a visit. But me go to the supermarket there plenty time. But somewhere along the road, master, me go take the wrong turn and me a walk round and round and round. And if you know say anything about Colorado, then call it mile high. So you lose your breath quick. You see, by the time I reach back on my yard, me then bother go to the supermarket because I need to go round and round so much time. When I reach back on my yard, me out of breath. It's like me did climb the Blue Mountain peak and come back down. But that wasn't the worst time. Me say one time I go visit my daughter in New York. Master. No, she live in an apartment building. But they had 2 blocks. And me never know say the 2 blocks are the same key open the front door for go in the apartment. So this day man snow fall and me come off of the bus and me run to the apartment building and me open it. And me take the elevator and me go off your door and me tap on the number of your door and me put the key in there and turn it, and the key can't turn, me can't open the lock. So me start worrying. Me say, but this man me lock the door, how come it can't open now? Mrs. Me start knock. One man no come out there in him brief. As me see me frightened, me can't, me don't know if I do it myself because me watch plenty movie about America, you know, and all the white man them look like them a serial killer. So the first thing coming in my head is this man a go drag me in the room and kill me. Me fly out of the place and me run downstairs and me run out the door. It's cold, you know, but me still run out the door. Me look on the other block and me say, right, it looks same way. So me go over there, master, and the key open the door and me go in. Lad, me. But I mean, when it happened to, you know, my daughter no say the first time say she go in at the apartment there, she did buy it. It did happen to her because the 2 black them look at the exact same thing and the idiot them make the key can open the 2 front door easy. It's like them a try to set you up. Listen, man. Well, I hope by now you have bought your copy of Talk Jamaican by Joan Williams from Amazon. You know, Vice President Kamala Harris, for Pupa, come from Jamaica, you know, so you don't know, say one day you might hear some word come out of her mouth like rascal or bumbo, so you need your dictionary, you know. So go on Amazon.com, buy Talk Jamaican by Joan Williams, and you'll be good to go. Have a great day. Okay, let me just tell you in English what I was just talking about. It's how things in the United States tend to all look the same. The houses look the same, the roads look the same, the lawns look the same. You can't really find somewhere to use as a marker when you go out and you're not too familiar with the area. As a result, I have been lost, and I give you 2 examples of getting lost. The second one is it's quite amusing, about getting lost in an apartment in New York. So get your copy of Talk Jamaican by Joan Williams, available on Amazon.com. And you need it, you know, because who knows, maybe one day Kamala Harris will become President of the United States. Her father was born in Jamaica. And you don't know, maybe one day you'll hear her slip in some words in our conversation like rasclat or bumbaclat. So you need your dictionary. Have yourself a wonderful day.